Hi artists, it's Louise at the John Michael Kohler Art Center. Welcome to Studio One. Today we are going to be exploring mold making. There are many artists throughout the Art Center that use molds in their art practice. Have you ever used a mold? I bet you have. Have you ever made cupcakes or muffins? You had to use molds. Have you ever made popsicles or ice cubes? Those sweet treats were made with molds. Have you ever gone to the beach and made sandcastles? Again, you used molds. So you are expert mold makers. Today, we are going to be making molds out of clay and pouring plaster into your molds. Here are some examples of what we're going to be creating. You'll be taking clay, putting it into a container, filling it with plaster, and you have a plaster medallion. Step one, we have to come up with your idea. And we have to decide what you're going to be making your mold out of. You could take a box from something from your pantry. You could take a food container. Or you could take a soup container. I'm going to use a soup container. I suggest having an idea sheet. I have a sheet here, and I suggest tracing around your container. You're tracing around so that you can practice and come up with your ideas of what you'd like to do for your mold. Now, your idea could be that of just an abstract design filled with pattern, kind of looking like a flower or hearts. Or you could end up making something look representational. I think today I like cats. So I'm going to draw ears on a cat and a nose, some eyes, those fun little lips. Maybe I'll even have him stick his tongue out. So here I have my idea. My next step is to take clay, and we're going to fill the container, my soup container, with clay. Your best tool are your hands to push the clay. Now you could use, this is a bench clay, but you could use an air dry clay, any type of load-bearing clay. I'm smoothing it out the best I can. I suggest taking a spoon. That can help smooth out the clay. You have to get your hands messy sometimes when doing these projects. Now I'm ready to put my cat. I'm going to just use, you could use a pencil. I'm just going to use this pointed tool. I'm going to make some eyes. Put the eyes in, because whatever you push down comes out when you're making these molds. So here are the eyes. Let's see, I want to have it have kind of furry ears. They have wonderful eyeballs. I have to stick in his nose, kind of a triangular shaped nose. Push in the lips. I had mentioned a tongue. Put a little bit for a tongue. Now, I also want to put in some whiskers. What's wonderful about this process is you can put all sorts of textures. Here I have my cat. What do you think? It could use a little color, I think. So, I'm going to make mine kind of like Garfield, orange. And I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit in, just a little bit, because the plaster is only going to pick up the small amounts that are on the top. I'm going to add a little bit of pink for the nose. If you have any beads or anything like that, you can just lay it on the top of the clay, as you can see here, Starting to get personality, don't you think? What do you think? Should we add anything else? Got the ears, got the nose, have the eyes and the whiskers. I think we're ready. The final step is we have to mix up the plaster. I'm going to use 2/3 of a cup of water. 1/3, 2/3. And I've measured out already a cup and 1/3 of plaster of Paris. And I'm going to slowly pour this in. You should probably wear a mask so you don't have to inhale that plaster. I'm going to stir it up. And I'd like it to be the consistency of pancake batter. And now I'm going to pour it into my cat. Notice that there really aren't any lumps, or too many anyway. Then I'm going to tap it. Notice the air bubbles at the top? I want to make sure the plaster gets everywhere over the design that I created. I have to let this sit for 45 minutes. And then I'm going to just peel away the cardboard. You ready? I am. And I'm going to carefully pull away the plaster medallion. And look what I have. My Garfield cat. That's all there is to it. You've created one of a kind plaster medallion out of a clay mold.